Hello everyone, today we will continue with the watt hour meter. Watt hour meter is basically measuring the voltage and the current, and it's multiplying these two and getting the demanded power of the load, in my case the printer. And also it is multiplying the power and the time, and it's calculating the kilowatt hour. So with that number, your electricity bill is calculated, by the way. And this one also has a temperature sensor, and I put this temperature sensor on nearby the motherboard, and it's measuring the electronics chamber's temperature also. And I modified this skirt, basically fill the empty holes and put place for the screen. And yeah, like I said, it is measuring the voltage and current, and it's getting the power and kilowatt hour. It is basically this item. In here it has enclosure also. I removed the enclosure to fit the skirt. It's the same item like you said. If you are planning to do the same mode, I would advise to buy the second one with this current transformer, because it's easy to install. I will also explain how to install it, and this is the terminals for the voltage and the power, and this is the terminal for the thermistor. You can use it or you can leave it empty. It's your choice. Now let me show you how I connect the watt hour meter in my printer. So this is how you should connect your power meter. On your power meter you have two inputs, one for the current, one for the voltage. So you need to wire will have this ring. I can say this for reducing the current. So this is a conversion ratio. For example, if it is a 1 divided by 20, when this cable which going inside the circle receive 20 amps current in this cable which is going inside this circle, this will read that as a 1 ampere, and it will send this 1 amp to your power meter. And the other one is just voltage, and it's connected in the terminals. You are just wire the voltage like your power meter, one for live, one for neutral. That's all. There is no other connection on the power meter. And for the current, so this is for current, like I said. For the current, so you need to, this is also pre-wired, but I extended the wire since it's not enough for my build. So what I did, this is the live wire coming from the power skirt, as you can see. So this live wire going inside this circle, and it's just continue its way. It's going to this distributor terminal. Like I said, this is for the measuring for the current. Once you do these two connections, it will be done. And another advantage of this power meter, this has a thermistor. So this time, yeah, it's on the screen, you can see the temperature. So I wired this thermistor, and I put in the here. So it's just for fun, it's just for roughly measuring the temperature of the electronics chamber. Yeah, that's how you wire your power meter. This one. This is the modified skirt for the watt hour meter, and you need to place 4 threaded insert to put the watt hour meter. You can use M3x6 to mount it, and the threaded inserts are same which we are using in the Voron build. And the skirt is same except the middle part. You need to insert the threaded insert here and here. This is for the bottom panel, this is for the motor bracket. And yeah, I couldn't edit the skirt of the 350 build. I am a little bit busy lately, and I think in 250 build you cannot use the skirts to put the power meter, because as you can see, this is a 300 build and the board is nearly touching the edge of the skirt. So if you want to put a power meter, install a power meter, you need to find another place to install it. Yeah, and you're basically putting the watt meter in the back and screwing it, and that's all. In the front you will not see any screw. And yeah, that was all for this episode. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.